If you're watching this video, there's a very strong chance, very strong possibility that you're suffering and have been suffering for a long time with psoriasis or some other kind of skin disease. Now, also likely with my experience, I've seen this, that you've been to many medical doctors, many skin specialists, many dermatologists, and very strongly also, very possibly you've been to the other health denominations like Ayurvedic medicine, Chinese medicine, but remarkably, you may not have been shown a congruency of what to fit, what to eat, what to drink, so that everything fits in. You can't fix disease with just one fruit or one vegetable. You have to mix all the quality ones. And so today, if you found this video useful, please share the link with others, subscribe to our channel, and on the right of the word subscribe, you will see a bell icon. Press the bell icon and select all, so that you will receive notification each time. Now, we publish a new video, up to date, and right up to the latest research, which will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So today, I'm going to explain to you one of the most magical foods you can eat. It's called the watercress. Watercress. Now, you've got many types of cress, but the watercress is grown in rivers, clean rivers, in organic conditions. And then you have what are called the land cress, which is, as the name implies, you can grow cress on land. They're both on the same family, but the watercress is much richer in iron, right? Now, why is iron so important? Now, this is not just full of iron, it's also full of calcium, magnesium, silica, and other trace minerals. Now, this is a wonderful vegetable to have on your salad or in sandwiches or in your rice because of the variety of nutrients it has. Now, this is a very good vegetable for removing inflammation from inside your intestinal tract or inflammation from your skin, but taken internally. This is a packet that's about 120 grams, cost about £1, £1.20, and you should eat after that every day, right? Now, not only does it contain potassium, calcium, silica, zinc, iron and so on, but it also contains a lot of fiber, which is very, very beneficial because that's part of the soluble-insoluble type fiber combination. That is excellent avenue to make your bowel clear. All matter, which could be years old, gets removed when you eat watercress regularly. Right, this is worthwhile. You don't have to have the whole bag, but at least have half a bag on a daily basis. If you have half a bag every day in your salad or your vegetables at night time or lunchtime, you will find in about a month your skin will be in an amazing condition. Now, furthermore, what this does, it's got it's got like a bitter taste, slightly bitter taste. That bitter taste, when you eat that bitter taste is what from the iron content, very high level. That bitter taste triggers your tongue, which triggers your liver, triggers your pancreas, and there you go. You've now got two more big organs working, the liver and the pancreas. The pancreas is to do with your insulin and your enzymes, and your liver is to do with blood cleansing. And those two organs are always under attack from waste, like too much red meat, too much pork, too much bacon, and so on. So this is an excellent vegetable to counteract all that. So that will help you tremendously with healing yourself outside and inside. Also, an excellent vegetable for eyes, for the vision, right? Since I've been taking this for years and years and years, I've been eating this, my eyes are in excellent condition. And now 74 and still going strong. Now, so if you found this video useful, please share the link with others, subscribe to our channel, and on the right of the word subscribe, you will see a bell icon. Press the bell icon and select all, so that you'll receive notification each time. We publish a new video, which will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. In addition, you'll see a LinkedIn to an ebook with the comments below. Press that button and that'll give you access to a very informative and updated ebook.